Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be rating fidgets. So the first fidget is probably this milkshake popper. It's just because, yeah, I really like it and everything. So I would give this like 10 out of 10. It's just really property. Next, we have this big popper. Now, again, it's really good, but the hard side it's not that loud. I don't really like that way, so I'm giving it about 5 out of 10. And yeah. So yeah, 5 out of 10 for that one. Second, we have this Rubik's star or something. Now, this Rubik's star is a bit bad, so I'd rather call this 5 out of 10. Next, we have a spinner simple dimple. And now it's amazing and I love it, so I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Next fidget is this, my favourite owl popper. Now the reason why I love it is because it has a really good pop to it and everything. I've always just been popping it. And it's my favourite, so I'll give it 10 out of 10. This heart popper now, it's really cute, so I'll give it 5 out of 10. Now, this dimple, I don't really love dimples that much. I'm more into poppets, spinner dimples, and the simple dimples. These like squishy things and the octopuses. But I'll give them a 1 out of 10. Next, we have this thing. I don't really like it, but I got it today. And it's like a needle thing, kind of thing. It's really annoying. I don't like it. Second, we have this. Now, this simple dimple just doesn't look... I love it, right? So I'll give it like a 10 out of 10, so... Bye. This octopusy. This is what I was talking about. This little chain actually goes in my hand, like that, and I carry it about sometimes. And what I do with it is fun, so I'll give it 10 out of 10, obviously. Now this cupcake popper, it's really good, but I'll give it a 5 out of 10 because my friend has it too. This one doesn't pop that well. See, come on, pop! I'll give that 1 out of 10. Not for me. Next, this one. It's awful octopus, so it's probably 10 out of 10. This is this one's amazing, so I'll give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah. What should I do this one? Slinky, 1 out of 10. It's just so bad. So bad I dropped the phone. This is really bad. I don't love it and everything. So I like this. It's a mini popper and I love it. So give it 4 out of 10 probably. This doesn't pop well, don't like it, 1 out of 10. This one pops well, 9 out of 10. Tangled. Now, tangles are really fun, so I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Now guys, thank you for watching. Bye!